Friday, February 20. Pretty good session overall. Pretty drama free, really. We basically opened up with a 10-point range, dipped down, and then formed another 10-point range, and then we finally got the breakout. So the trades I took, once I saw that we were ranging, took a long at the bottom edge here and took that one. So that was a profit. We broke out of the range, aggressive selling into this yesterday's point of control. Once we rejected that and had this nice push up, I got in there on a pullback and I took that trade for a profit. This one here dipped down back into this sort of point of control area and we had this little kick up. I went in along there. And then basically we had this one last little push and I caught the breakout up into there. I then took a pullback, so a pullback to this overall edge of value. Took the pullback entry and got out there, and then I just closed the trade there. We basically pushed up back above all of this volume up into the high, challenging the high of day. So once we sort of broke up, I got a little pullback here and caught that one basically up into yesterday's value area high. Looks like we're just continuing to break higher. I was bullish from the start of the session, but we were kind of in no man's land, so we opened up sort of in the middle of value. I was really looking for an initial entry down to the 5,000 area, but we just sort of started grinding, so I started taking some trades in there. Looks like we're getting a nice push out now though, so we'll see if this top edge holds. We've basically been forming this over the last couple of days. We're in this range with gold, so we'll see if this holds, and if we come back down, maybe we want to continue. I think we probably want to potentially continue up into this point of control, this longer term one, but who knows, right? You don't know with gold, could do anything. So overall, pretty good session, pretty happy with it. Up 2022 for the day, so that's good. Friday, it's a good way to end the week. 2 profitable days, 2 green days this week, and see what we do next week. I'm hoping to just bang out three green days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, and then take a payout, and then take the rest of the week off, and just basically call that for February, and just leave it at that. Take a good sort of 4 or 5 days off, step away from the charts. But we'll see. Just completely depends on obviously what happens in the markets. But overall, pretty good session. It's good when you can work out early on that we're basically ranging and that we're just sort of stuck in this value. So I think once we hit this point, we had this kind of sort of looking distribution. So it's always good when you can spot that. And I like to play the bottom edges of them back up to the top edge. So yeah, all in all, pretty good session, and we'll see what next week brings.